Okay, so what just happened?
Let me break it down for you.
Prophase. At this stage, chromosomes condense and become visible. Centrioles begin to move to the poles of the cell. Spindle fibers also begin to appear from the centrioles. The nuclear membrane also appears to fade.
The next phase is called metaphase. During this stage, chromosomes move toward the center of the cell, called the equatorial plate. The chromosomes attach to the spindle fibers and then also become intertwined.
In the third stage, anaphase, the centromeres divide. Here, the sister chromatids separate and move to opposite poles. Now they are called chromosomes. The same number and same type of chromosomes will be found at each pole.
The last stage is called telophase. This is when chromosomes reach the opposite poles of the cell. Also, spindle fibers dissolve and a nuclear membrane forms around each massive chromatin. Also, the division of the cytoplasm occurs. This is called cytokinesis.
Does that make sense to you? Okay, let's move to meiosis.
In prophase 1, centrioles split and the parts move to opposite poles and spindle fibers form. Chromosomes come together in homologous pairs. Each pair of homologous chromosomes align side by side. This aligning is called synapsis. As the chromosomes synapse, they often intertwine. The intertwined chromatids from different homologous break and exchange segments in a process called crossing over.
The next stage is metaphase 1. This is very similar to metaphase in mitosis. Here, the homologous chromosomes attach themselves to the spindle fibers and line up along the equatorial plate.
In anaphase 1, the homologous chromosomes move toward opposite poles. This is called segregation. This is when the reduction division occurs. One member of each homologous pair will be found in each of the new cells.
During telophase 1, a membrane begins to form around each nucleus. The chromosomes in the nuclei are not identical because each of the daughter nuclei contain one member of the homologous chromosome pair. Homologous chromosomes are similar but not identical. As a result of telophase 1, there are two new cells that are made.
Now we're at meiosis 2. The first stage of meiosis 2 is prophase 2. Here, the nuclear membrane dissolves and spindle fibers form.
During metaphase 2, the chromosomes align along the equatorial plate. Each chromosome contains two sister chromatids, which are held together with the centromere.
In anaphase 2, the centromeres split. This causes the chromatids to migrate to opposite poles of the cell.
The last stage of meiosis 2 is called telophase 2. This is when the second division of cytoplasm occurs. As a result, 4 haploid daughter cells are produced.
The following song is dedicated to my favorite biology teacher, Mr. Darwin.
In anaphase, centromeres divide, sister chromosomes separate and move to opposite poles. Now they're called chromosomes.